the people this contest we can't do without. Welcome back my YouTube video. So guys, we can to you for to think is not know that I was from back to nothing people something is too bright that nothing is air to tell me for about that I have you been to that another something is to you people the air for what is that air to we can to you people the having so thing is to that was I people that how air for farm we come so something is to air to the air for was that this is that for another people the air the was have to another though you have air for people this is the people for what is that you think is know for what I that so you people the air for what is that you people the you have been to this is the to air about that I think you people the air for what is the that something is air for nothing people that I was you have been to for think is for what I that so thing is for what is to me that so guys आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ कि कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है कि बारिश ही आने लग जाए या कभी ऐसे लगता है कि अ, हवा ही चल रहा हो तो डैट आई थिंक ऐसे मौसम में कभी भी बारिश आ सकता है हवा लग सकता है डैट लग सकती है क्यों ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हवा लग जाता है हवा बहने लग जाता है तो तेज हवा बहने लग जाता है बट आई थिंक जो है बारिश भी ज़्यादा होने लग जाता है तो आई थिंक उस समय में पता है क्या होता है उस समय में but to for tell me for without that I think people so something is nothing people that I was you have people the thing is for what that you people this is the air for what is that you air for what you have been to that is the to air for what is that nothing anything people there for what is this for another that something went is wrong for bright is to without something is air to for that I was for comeback people this is the people air for what I that something is for what I had you people this is the what for me back come me for you without something is not without is too bright or something went wrong is not went wrong for आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ कि जैसे कि हवा चल रहा हो तो बारिश आ रहा हो तो उस समय में क्या होता है कि जब हम किसी भी चीज़ों को देखते हैं तब क्या होता है that I think you have been to that something air to for was that nothing people air but I think you people there for where to we you that air for the was we you air for you people that air for what is something is know for what I that you people yeah, what is that people something is went is not went for you people this is the people for anything people that is for clock is to oh that is what is for come back something is went wrong is not wrong for people friends welcome to back my video that another people this is the people here for what I think a bit out something is for what is something is for bright air for you something is for what is that where to you for come back air for what is that air for another two for people this is the people air what I that so I think Kono for what I that so you can for without this is the people of that Kuno for new air wrong good but I bought something the air for easily to yes but I but no yes too bright that some is come back you people that back not back air for what I that not back you people has been to economy for for another to other for other to for me for you here for uh, I think people was that you have been to you here for another to the people yeah, about that the people what thing to that you to come something to something is people that you people this is the air for where to be come become me before without thing is to or about LU thing. People, this is the people for what I that people is that some come back for you that anything to for how air many you person for to air for what you so friends so that thing is to for bright that पता नहीं कि क्या 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 चीजें जो है अलग अलग चीजें जो है that I think उसमें thing is to picture that thing what is that thing is you know for what I you have been play this is the so guys इस वीडियो को पूरा देखना और साथ ही में नीचे कमेंट कर देना क्या कहते हैं और लाल वाला बटन होगा उसको भी क्लिक कर देना और अपने दोस्तों को भी बोल देना कि उस लाल वाले बटन को क्लिक करें और साथ ही में बेल आइकन के घंटे वाला बटन को क्लिक करें ताकि मैं जब भी कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड करूंगा तो सबसे पहले है जो है तुम्हारे मोबाइल के ऊपर पहुंचे और साथ ही में वीडियो जो है देखने को मिलेगी और what that thing is to for you another to for people this is the people here for what how are you how can you to me for without bright to you this is the bright to you you can to drop is not drop for you without thing is no can't you people this is the how people that you has been to know me for what I that I so that you people that anything so come back you where is not where to me without other is not other for that I was the people for what is that is gonna for what I'm me for because without something is where we here you something is to went a strong power you that I was the other for you people. This is the people here. What I think is for what tell me for without about this is not bright. To think is went wrong is not wrong. That twist is for what I mean for you. I have been playing the people. This is the playing video something. तो फ्रेंड्स आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ कि जो है मेरी नई वीडियो जो आने वाली है सो समथिंग इज बेंट स्ट्रॉन्ग इज पावर इज नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग इज पावर फॉर nothing people this is has been to you air conslant to you for so letter for uh, that people, this is the people has been has to here he is that for you have how have how have here for what the thing is for what me for that you people you has been you me without because that uh, uh, become me for you another so that was you people that something our that ऐसे होता है ना over covered that thing is for what I may for without is can't you for you as a that over जैसे होता है आज की इस वीडियो में बताने वाला हूँ कि over क्या होता है जैसे कि over ओ भी आवर डैट ओ भी आवर होता है ना जैसे वैसे ही समथिंग इज ब्राइट टू मी टेल यू फॉर सो फ्रेंड्स आज के लिए इतना ही फिर मिलते हैं अगली नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में जब तक के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें और नए आए हो इस चैनल पे तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस वीडियो को शेयर करें और साथ ही में लाइक शेयर कमेंट करना ना भूलें